Knockout is a fun, fast-paced basketball game in which two or more players shoot simultaneously to see who can score first and stay in the game. It is a test of both shooting and rebounding ability. To start the game, all of the players line up single file behind the free throw line. The first two people in line each get a basketball. The goal of the game is for the second player to make a basket before the first person in front of them. The first player steps up to the free throw line and shoots the basketball. If they make the first shot, they rebound their ball and go to the back of the line. If they miss the first shot, they rebound their own ball and shoot from wherever they'd like on the court until they finally make a shot. As soon as the first player takes their first shot and moves forward to rebound their ball, the second player steps up to the free throw line to take their shot. Both players are trying to be the first to make a basket. If the first player makes their basket first, they pass their ball to the next person in line and go to the end of the line. The second player keeps shooting, and the third player steps up to take their shot. If the second player makes their basket before their first player, the first player in line is knocked out of the game. Both players pass their ball to the front of the line, and the second player goes to the end of the line to continue playing. Players continue cycling through as many times as necessary until there's only one player left. The last player standing wins the game.